Nice overcast day. May. About mid-May. And I'm going to organize some stuff. Alright, got the table all nice and clean. Set this down here. Got my sewing machine lamp. With some overhead lights for a little more lighting. That looks focused about here. We have a pile of small Singer books. Model 237. $15.86. Would it be better up here? $15.96. $99.13. 2012. These are all beat up. I don't even know if they're worth anything. Few pages left in them. 221. What's this say? Nice, missing the cover. That's a featherweight book. 221. Rough cover. Another 221 book for 13 bucks. Kind of rough. Well, this is nice. 127 and 128. They are pretty similar. One's a full-size machine and one's a three-quarter size machine. A Singer 301 on disc. No clue what's on there, but that's what it says. Singer 301. Some really small Singer adjustable zigzag attachment book. Alright, we have a Genie. Singer Genie manual. What else we have? A partial featherweight book. We have some partial pages. We have a buttonholer book. 160506, missing the cover. We have a Singer zigzag attachment manual. And a buttonholer book. What else we have here? Couple of old cards, couple of loose pages. Here's the buttonhole book with the cover. Professional buttonholer. I think this is for the slant model. And we have a $22 and pretty decent shape featherweight 221 manual. A Singer buttonhole attachment. I believe this is for one of the older ones. Yeah, that's what I thought. It looks kind of like that. And how'd you get in here? Oh yeah, these are Singers. This is a very, very old book. There is a lot of good information on here about parts, which I need to read over. I'm going to read over that, but it's a list of parts and there's a couple of them. This is for the 72W19 and really no interest to me if anybody needs it more than I. Here's a 75-1, 75-2, 75, 95-10. I'm not even sure what, these must be industrial machines. A lot of good info. Here's another one, very old. 24621, a 24620. Alright, what else do we have? This looks like someone made it. A stylist. I can't even read the model number. It's a printed out book, it appears. We have a rough cover here on a 500 rough cover. I take it the rest of the book is fine. It's complete for a Singer Rocketeer 500, 13 bucks. Here's another Slant-O-Matic 500. Looks to be in really nice shape. And we have a Singer 237. Pretty cool. Hey, check this out. Very, very old. It has a date, April 27. I should probably put a little tape on that. April 27, 1900. I've been holding it since I was a kid back then. Look at that. Number 27. Shows it in a treadle cabinet, 6 drawer. It's a little beat up, but pages, I don't see, besides the another little damage there on the. Not bad for what, 122 years old? Excuse me. We have a Model 348. They made the book the same color as the machine. How cool. And we have a 834 stylist. Now these are just a portion of my Singer books. If you go on Facebook and go under my manual group, just look under Fred Sanford manuals and you'll find it. And then in the search bar, if you're looking for a Singer book, you can just type in Singer under search. And there's a ton more books there, and eventually these will all be getting posted there. That's what was it, just some zigzag ideas. This is a really beat up copy of something. Alright, here's something, another buttonhole, about to lose the cover. Another buttonhole for Slant. The smallest Singer book of all times is for Stocking Darner. Didn't even know I had it. And we have another homemade Model 237 book. And another old, to end it off, very old, probably should go with the other old book for number 27 and 28, and this one's the attachment part. So I take it this one's from around 1900 as well. I'm going to do some more videos on some organizing. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Find me on Facebook under Fred Sanford. I manage several groups. Enjoy.